You were not born when the Srebrenica massacre happened. You might wonder what it has to do with you. But the kind of hatred that led to Srebrenica exists still, as you well know. It lives on wherever people find excuses to single out others and deny them their rights as equal human beings. Srebrenica was a crime that did not happen overnight. It could have been prevented, even down to the last few hours. It started with prejudice and discrimination, with hate speech that demonized a whole people and treated them less than human. It was spread by leaders who used lies to manufacture fear, to condition people to accept violence. These tendencies still exist in our world and are as dangerous as they have ever been.